Here I am in this beautiful, secluded little oasis right next to Sanctuary Beach, which has got a new construction home by Nadu Construction. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Just wow at this new construction. I love the style that the builder has chosen. It's warm and cozy and yet still elevated like you would expect. You've got a nice eating area here and it opens right up. So you've got that open lifestyle and living. And a little something extra from this living space, I love that you can see outdoors and there's a little balcony overlooking the golf course. Now let's see what treasures they have for the bedrooms. This style of elevated living doesn't stop there. Here we are in the main ensuite. It's got its own balcony and this beautiful, stunning. It's exactly that spa-like elevated feel that you would like. And I don't think I mentioned, this ensuite is the whole 3rd floor overlooking the golf course. Just stunning. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you so you can find out all the finer details. And subscribe to thebeachshow.com so you don't miss out on any of this.